0. Okay, so you have to calculate the sales and you have to proceed to the commission decision table. Okay, that is the next decision table to calculate the commission over there. Okay, so these are the entries you have to mark for the condition logs is equals to -1. If this condition is satisfied, then these three actions should be marked. Okay, then moving on to the second rule, if the logs is equals to -1, if this condition is failed, you know that if this condition is failed in the sense there is a value for the log, stocks and barrels, then you will be entering into the loop where it will ask for the logs value. Then once you enter the logs value, if it is within the production limit, it asks you to enter for the stocks and barrels, isn't it? So you have to make an entry for the logs. Then that is, if the logs is the production limit is 70, if your value is within that, then the condition is satisfied. Then you will go for the next condition and you are checking the stocks is within the range 80. So this is also true. Then moving to the next condition, barrels, the value, if it is not within the production limit, that is, if the condition is failed over here, then what should be done? What should be done? The logs and stocks, you need to calculate the total logs and total stocks for that. And for barrels, since it is not within the production limit, you have to display a message stating that the value for the barrels is not within the range, or it is out of range value. Okay, that you have to display. Okay, it's what invalid barrel input, and you have to update the total logs, total stocks. But barrels, since it is not a valid input, so no need to update the barrels here. Okay, so the action you are supposed to mark here is A4 and A5. Next, coming to the rule 3, the condition logs is equals to -1 is not satisfied, so that is false. Next, you have made entry for the log, stocks and barrels. Here the logs and stocks are within the production limit, that is within the valid range, and stocks is invalid input has been marked, that is stocks, the condition C3 is false here. Okay, so for that, what should be the action? You need to update the total logs and total barrels value. Okay, total logs, yes, total logs and total barrels value have to update, but total stocks, here it is invalid. Okay, invalid input, so you have to display that message. So action 3, here you make a note in your notebook which you are having there. So mark it in the manual, you have to correct it. Okay, while you are writing in the observation, you have to correct it. A3, it is invalid stocks input. Okay, it is not logs. In the manual it is logs, so corrections are there, so please make a note of it. Action 3, it is invalid stocks input. Okay, this action should be marked. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, moving to the rule 4th, the condition is failed, C1. Next, move to the C2, logs value is invalid here, and stocks and barrels, the condition is true, so you have to update the total stocks and total barrels. So action 5 is marked. Then the value for the logs you have been entered as invalid, so it is false, the condition is false here. So for that, you have to display a message that is invalid logs input. So action 2 is marked. Similarly, for rule 5, here the condition for stocks and barrels is false. Okay, C3 and C4 are false, only the logs value is valid here, so you have to update the total logs. Okay, so action 5 is marked. Then since the C3 and C4 are invalid, you have to display the subsequent action for that, that is A3 and A4 entries should be marked, invalid stocks and invalid barrels. Okay, Similarly, for rule 6, your the logs and barrels values are invalid. Okay, for that action A2 and A4 has been marked, and here the stocks value is within the production limit, so the condition is true here. So for this you have to update the total stocks. Okay, for that action 5 is marked. And coming to the rule 7, so only the barrels value, okay, that is C4 is true, and C2 and C3 are false. Okay, for that logs and stocks value is invalid. You have to mark that entry A2 and A3. Then A5, here it is marked. Why? Because one of the condition, that is C4, for the barrels value it is true over there. For that you have to update the total barrels. Okay, next with respect to the rule 8, your all of the conditions has been failed. So here you have to mark invalid logs, invalid stocks, and invalid barrels. Okay, so all the three has been marked, and you are not marking A5. Why? Because if these are invalid inputs, no need to go for the calculation of total logs, total stocks, and total barrels. Okay, and coming to the rule 9th, the condition logs is equals to -1 is false, so that you are allowed to make entry for the log, stocks, and barrels since you enter into the loop. So the values what you have entered for log, stocks, and barrels is valid. Then C2, C3, C4, all the three conditions will be satisfied. So it is C2, C3, C4 are true. For that you have to update the total logs, total stocks, and total barrels. Okay, for that action 5 has been marked. Okay, so this is the decision table with respect to the input data of the commission problem. And you will have one more decision table for the calculation of the commission. Why? Because you are calculating the commission based on the sales. Okay, so your sales will be the input. Okay, that is the conditions, and the commission what you are calculating is according to the sales, right? For that it is the action that is based on those conditions. Okay, sales are the conditions and the commission calculation is your actions. Okay, so here you will have 4 rules. So moving to the condition part, so C4. Okay, C4, 4 conditions are there. Please make this also correction. C1, C2, C3, C4, 4 conditions. Okay, please make a note of it. There's so many mistakes in the manual. C1, C2, C3, and C4. Okay, so this you have to make it. Make a correction of this. Getting no? Yeah, are you marking it? Making
Yes,
note
ma'am.
of it? Okay. Yes, C1 condition is that a sales is equals to 0. If the sales is equals to 0, then what should be the action? The sales is equals to 0. Will you go for calculation of commissions? ಸೇಲ್ಸ್
No,
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So we'll terminate the program, right? So action is A1. Then moving to the rule 2, here the C1 condition is failed. That is, sales is not equals to 0, but it is having some value. Some sales has been done over there. So what is the range of the sales that is satisfied here is C2. Okay, C2 condition is satisfied. That is, the sales are between the range 0, that is greater than 0 to less than or equals to 1000. Okay, so if this condition is true, if the sales value is within this range, then your action, that is what should be the commission within less than or equals to 1000, in the sense the commission should be 10%, right? Yeah, for that the second action, okay, A2, it is marked over there. So commission is equals to 10% of the sales. Okay, next moving to the rule 3, C1 and C2 has been failed. So the sales value lies between the that is, here you make it as operator. Okay, greater than or equals. Okay, it should be greater than equals to. Make a note of it, please. Greater than or equals to 1001. Okay. So the sales value lies here between 1001 to 1800. So if this is the range, in the sense your commission value should be 15% commission should be given for the salesperson. Okay, so for that the action A3 has been marked, where the commission is calculated for the sales for 15%. Okay, of 15% commission will be given. Next, moving on to the rule fourth, here the last condition is true. That is, sales is greater than or equals to 1801. So for that, the commission 20% should be given. So action 4 has been marked. If you know the problem statement thoroughly, you can easily do this. Okay, no need to by heart this decision table. Right? And moving to the test cases. So this test cases is for the input data. Okay, looking into the first decision table, you have to derive the test cases now. Okay, so here you observe the rule 1. In the rule 1, logs is equals to -1 is your input, so that is satisfied over there, and the action is terminate the loop, then calculate the sales, then proceed to the commission decision table. Okay, so for this decision table, by looking into the decision table, you are writing the test cases, right? Yes. Logs value was given as -1, so according to the rule 1. Okay, so -1 logs value. For that, what is the output over there, that is what is the action in the decision table? You have to the action 1, that is terminate the program, terminate the loop. Okay, that is the one action, and then go for the sales calculation, and then move to the commission calculation decision table. Okay, so that was the three actions marked over there. So first action, terminate the input loop, that has been mentioned in the expected output. Then you have moved to the sales calculation. You know that the sales is 0. Okay, so based on the sales, you have to calculate the commission. So for that, the output, expected output written here is terminate the input loop, check for the sales. Okay, if sales is equals to 0, then exit from the program, else you calculate the commission. Okay, so that is the expected output. Next, moving to the second test case. So what is the entry you have made in the decision table with respect to the rule 2? Here the logs and stocks value, it is satisfied. Okay, that is within the production limit. You have given the input, and barrels value is invalid input. Okay, for that the actions marked is invalid barrels input, and then calculate the total log stocks and barrels. No need to calculate here. Okay, so action A4 and A5. Okay, so go through this decision table. Logs and stocks, valid input, barrels is invalid. Okay, yes, you can observe here in the second test case, logs and stocks valid inputs have been given, and moving to the barrels, your the input what you have given according to the decision table, it should be invalid. Okay, so for that you have made an entry -5. So what is the action for that? You have to update the total logs and total stocks. Okay, you have to calculate the total logs and total stocks, and you have to display a message that is invalid barrels input. Okay, so go through the expected output. Total of logs and stocks is updated if it is within a precondition limit, and should display a value of barrels is not in the range 1 to 90. Okay, why I am taking this decision table and explaining this test cases, in the sense, if you remember this decision table, no need to by heart this test cases. Okay, you can make your own entry by what should be the valid input, what should be the invalid input, and what should be the action. Okay, so please remember this decision table. In order to write this decision table without by hearting, you should know the problem statement. Okay, so each and every problem statement, triangle problem ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, next commission problem ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, next date function ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Okay, ಈ ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಏನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ 3 ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ 8 ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀವು. Got it now? So likewise, by looking into this rules, you have to write the test cases. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Next, the second test cases. Here you are writing with respect to the next, that is the second decision table. By looking into the commission problem decision table, you have to derive the test cases, okay, for this commission calculation. So now go through this decision table and you can make the entries over there. You know that what should be the sales range, and for that sales range what is the commission should be given. Okay, so according to that you write this test cases. So here you have 4 test cases. Yes, first one is check the value of sales. The description, you know that you can write in your own words. Okay, so that is what should be the sales range. If the sales value is 0, what should be the output? Okay, that is what you remember this. Otherwise, you know, make an random entry. Okay, that within the sales range you can make this random entry. For that, you have to calculate the commission what you will get. Okay, here the input they have taken is 0. If the sales is equals to 0, the expected output is you have to terminate the program where you can't calculate the commission. Okay, so if the sales is equals to 0, the commission is 0. Okay, and if the sales value is within the range 1000, okay, if it is greater than 0 and less than or equals to 1000, in the sense any entries you can make. Okay, it is not only that 900 only should be entered, it is not like so, any entries, but within the range you have to make. Okay, so here it is 900. For this sales you have to calculate the commission. Okay, so you know that how to calculate the commission. So here it is 10% commission should be given. So 0.10 into sales. So if you make this calculation, you will get 90. Your the entries are wrong here. It is 90, it's not 900. So please make a note of this also. It is 90. And next, for the third test case, here the sales range is it should be greater than 1000 and less than 1800, less than or equals to 1800. Okay, so here the entry they have taken is 1400. For this sales, you have, you know that how to calculate the commission. For 1000 you have to give 10% commission, and the remaining sales, that is for 400, you have to calculate the 15% commission. Okay, so 0.10 into 1000 plus 0.15 into remaining sales, that is 1400 minus 1000, so 400 you will get. So for 400 you have to calculate the 15% commission and you have to add this too. Okay, so you'll get your 160. Okay, it is not 1600, the value, commission value is 160. Then the fourth test case, here the sales range is greater than 1800. Okay, here the entry they have taken is 2500. Okay, so for this, how to calculate the commission, what should be the commission range, that is 20% commission should be given. Okay, since the sales are greater than 1800, so how to calculate? For that is up to 1000, 10% commission, and for remaining 800, 15% commission, and for the leftover sales. Okay, for that you have to calculate 20% commission. So here the value you will get is 360, I guess. Okay, this value is wrong, 360 you will get. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate the commission, and you have to write the decision table test cases by looking into the decision tables. Clear? No? Any doubts?
Clear.
Okay. So, so far we have done 8 programs, and your ninth program is data flow testing. It is based on data flow testing. Since it has been not done in the theory part, I don't want to take you to that program. Okay. So what we do in the next lab is I want you guys to be the volunteers to explain these 8 programs. Okay, if you are interested, no force. Okay, if you are interested, you create groups. Okay, two to three or four members. So you prepare the slides. Okay, ppts you prepare. Then you involve in that program description. Okay, either four of you can't explain the whole program, so one of you explain the program and one of you explain the test cases, and one of you involved in making the ppts and all. It is up to you. Okay, so if you are interested, you can come and you can explain. Okay, that's what. If you go through this, it's like a revision. Okay, you'll be preparing for the exams from now itself, since it is June. Okay, July, August, so remaining only 4 programs are there. Once I done with the data flow testing in the theory part, I'll take up that program. So within that, I need these 8 programs to be explained. If you are interested, you can. Just I'm asking the suggestions. You want me to do that, or what to do? Will you?
Yes. Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
Because if I ask you to write the programs like revision and all, you people won't. If you do also, you will copy it, or you will be having that program. Once you have uploaded, you will upload the same. Okay, but if you go through this process, no, you will get an idea about the programs. Okay, you will learn the programs. Is it okay?
Yes,
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ma'am.
interest ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes, what about others? Only Sharanya is replying. What about others?
We'll do it, ma'am.
Okay. If you don't want to make the PPTs, it's up to you. You can take the manual and you can explain. Otherwise, if you are interested in making the PPTs and all, you can. That's what you'll just copy it and you will paste over there. Okay. So now take the snipping tool and you can cut that table and you can paste it in the slides and you can explain. I want volunteers. I don't want to force to anybody. If you are interested, you can do it because you learn something. Okay, right? So who are interested? Anyone take those names and you can which program you will be explaining. That also you decide and inform me. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Boys, why no one is answering? Boys don't want to do. Hmm? Anup, Imran. Hmm? Are you there, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Yes. If you are interested, you can do. Okay, no force. Yes. Coming to the attendance, how many are there? To answer your attendance, Anu,
Present, ma'am.
Aarti,
Present, ma'am.
Sai Pranati,
Present, ma'am.
Chandana,
Yes, ma'am.
Deepika,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Manasvi,
Present, ma'am.
Jeevan,
Present, ma'am.
Josna,
Present, ma'am.
Kavya,
Present, ma'am.
Manoj,
Present, ma'am.
Imran,
Present, ma'am.
Monish,
Present, ma'am.
Monisham,
Present, ma'am.
Namrata,
Present, ma'am.
Nancy,
Present, ma'am.
Nitish,
Present, ma'am.
Yash Sanjay,
Present, ma'am.
Parvati,
Present, ma'am.
Pooja, Priyanka,
Present, ma'am.
Rajat,
Present, ma'am.
Rajesh,
Present, ma'am.
Rakshit,
Present, ma'am.
Revati,
Present, ma'am.
Rohit,
Present, ma'am.
Harsha,
Present, ma'am.
Sahana,
Present, ma'am.
Sahana, yes.
Present, ma'am.
Sahana, Yasan, Sahana, Yasan, Sai Chandana,
Present, ma'am.
Saket,
Present, ma'am.
Sharanya Desai,
Present, ma'am.
Sharanya GS,
Present, ma'am.
Sharanya TS,
Present, ma'am.
Shubha,
Present, ma'am.
Smita,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha, Sneha, Saundarya,
Present, ma'am.
Shrima,
Present, ma'am.
Tejas, Aditya, Vadiraj,
Present, ma'am.
Vandana,
Present, ma'am.
Vijay,
Present, ma'am.
Vinuta,
Present, ma'am.
Deepti,
Present, ma'am.
Manu, Deepti present, okay. Manu absent. Prajwal,
Present, ma'am.
Preetu Om Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Shailesh,
Present, ma'am.
Vismaya,
Present, ma'am.
Teja, Tejaswini,
Present, ma'am.
Sana SM present.
Yes, ma'am.
Then anybody left over? Okay, I'll create an assignment link for this program. Now, still time is there. You execute and upload the screenshots. Okay, observation you take time. No issues. If you make late submissions, I'll get notifications. Okay, I'm getting the notifications of you of the students. Fine. Okay, then I'll stop here. We'll continue in the next lab. So prepare the volunteers list who want to present and which of the programs you will be explaining. Okay, and inform me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Nancy. Thank you, Vinuta. Thank you, Kavya. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, Chandana. Thank you, Manasvi. Thank you, Namrata.